In this video, I'll guide you through how to publish a Typeform. Whether you're new to Typeform or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will help you seamlessly share your forms with the world. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to typeform.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you're all set up, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. This is where you can create new forms, edit existing ones, and of course, publish them to share with others. Now, the next step is to select the form you'd like to publish. On your dashboard, you'll see a list of all your forms. Take a moment to scroll through and find the one you want to share. Once you found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the form editor where you can make any last-minute tweaks or changes if needed. But for today, our focus is on getting that form out there. Once you have your form open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to making your form accessible to others. Clicking it will open up a new section dedicated to sharing options. In this sharing section, you'll have a few different choices. You can choose to share your form via a direct link, embed it on a website, or even share it on social media. Each option has its own set of benefits depending on how you want to reach your audience. For a straightforward approach, let's focus on sharing via a direct link. When you select the direct link option, Typeform will generate a unique URL for your form. This URL is what you'll share with your respondents, so make sure to copy it carefully. You can share this link via email, a messaging app, or anywhere else your audience is likely to see it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to publish a Typeform. Remember, the key to successful sharing is choosing the option that best fits your audience. Whether it's through a direct link, embedding on a site, or social media, Typeform makes it easy to get your forms out there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on using Typeform. Happy form sharing!